To say that Huawei is a big deal in the smartphone market is nothing short of an understatement, but despite the company's unquestionable international success, to say nothing of its recent market growth, it's been slow to use that momentum to create a strong US presence. That situation's beginning to change, at what feels like a glacial pace, and not just for the main Huawei name. The company's also turning the spotlight on some of its sub-brands, and today we're taking a look at the latest as it gets ready to make its US retail debut, the dual-camera-equipped stylish Honor 8. In the box. Honor 8. USB Type-C to standard A cable. Fast charging adapter. Warranty card. SIM tool. Huawei is not out to make a name for the Honor 8 with a fancy display. The utilitarian 5.2-inch 1080 by 1920 panel doesn't pretend to be anything it's not, instead giving us a functional, adequately sharp screen. If that sounds like less than glowing praise, it's because while we found the Honor 8's display to be by and large fine, it did have a couple issues that stood out in our tests. While the phone's screen is capable of some solidly bright output, helping with outdoor visibility, the Honor 8's software makes it difficult to adjust with much specificity. If you keep things in auto mode, maybe that's alright, but we found the screen's brightness jumping from kinda bright to really bright with little play in between. That's no deal breaker, but we'd love to see a little more finesse present. Then there's the issue of color temperature. The Honor 8's software helpfully gives users a lot of control over adjusting the tone of the display output, and in addition to preset warm and soft modes, you have full control to dial in a white point of your own. But even there, you're going to have to make concessions, as the supposedly neutral white that acts as the 0 point of these adjustments is itself heavily shifted towards cooler blue shades. Speaking of blue, though, the Honor 8 joins the club of phones seeking to alleviate eye strain and improve circadian rhythms by implementing an eye comfort mode, filtering out blue light at night. Given how cool the screen is to start with, that's just a little ironic.